Hey, it's Steve, the cat drawing guy, and today I am drawing a cat for Elle. And Elle, this cat, is coming from Amy. It's cat number 17,236. And Amy wanted me to draw you a cat in a construction hat. So there's a nice construction hat. Working a crane that says Maxim on it. So here you are. I'm guessing this is you. So there's the controls. Working a nice crane. And you've got those cool tractory wheels on the crane, and it's got a long, tall thing that makes it a crane. So there you go, and it says Maxim on it. Next, she wanted a speedboat in the background, so we'll try to draw some water here. And there's this crazy speedboat. Looks like a rocket ship. And it's making waves. When we color that, it's going to look a lot more like a speedboat. And get the waves in the water there. Anyway, Elle, there you go. The next thing I'm going to do is color this, and then I will get it off to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much. Have a good night.